Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video in this channel, and here we will be studying together and growing together. So, the first thing that we will be learning is how do you handle missing values or how do you clean your data. So, this is the problem that interviewers ask if you are interviewing for any roles related to data like data analyst, data analytics, data science, or consultant roles as well. So, we handle missing values or clean our data in 4 major steps. The first one is to understand the business problem. We need to understand that why are we even cleaning our data, what is the issue, what features are we going to use. Then the next step is understanding the data. We need to analyze the data through descriptive statistics like we need to check value counts, null values, understand feature types. So the next step is to analyze data. After analyzing the data, the next step is to impute the data. And how do we impute it? If there are missing values more than, let's say, 80%, then we cannot impute that data, and if it is irrelevant, then also we don't need to impute that data. So we will remove those columns or features. Or if the data is like if the numerical if it is numerical data, if a column is a numerical data, we will, and it is normally distributed, then we will use mean to impute the data. And if the data is skewed, we will use median. And if the column is categorical, then we will use mode to impute the data. Okay. Then the fourth step is outlier removals. We can see outliers through box plots, z-score, IQR methods, and these are the methods that we do when we are solving a machine learning problem. So using z-score, or we can cap them instead of removing for some business critical features. So after the outlier removal is done, features selection is done, and also we can scale the data if we are solving an ML problem. And these are the major steps that we perform. And after we do this, we wrap all these steps into a pipeline. Either we can create an sklearn pipeline, or we can we don't need to do these all steps manually every time. So we make a reproducible pipeline using sklearn pipeline, as I said, or we can make a reusable function using Python. So which is even greater if we have to customize our data cleaning process. So, or if we are if our use case is Power BI dashboard, so we have their built-in ETL, extract transform load pipeline, which is data query, and we will learn about that in our later videos. So yeah, these are the 5 major steps. That is how we deal with our data. This is how we pre-process it or clean it, either for our ML model or our analytics dashboard. So yeah, thank you. Do let me know if you want to correct me somewhere, or you want to suggest, or whatever you want to learn with me. Please let me know. Thank you.